Welcome, young inventor. Today, you are joining the ranks of tech superheroes. We are building a laser-ready response system with just a button, a laser, and an awesome code. Let's follow the step-by-step set of instructions for this task. Step 1 is get Ironman's button ready. Pin mode A0 input. This code will make pin A0 ready to take input. Here, pin A0 is at right leg of Ironman. Step 2, prepare my laser blaster. Pin mod 4 output. This code will prepare pin D4 to fire the laser light. Step 3, is the button pressed? If digital read A0 is equal to high, digital write 4 high. This code will check the input received to pin A0. Means, if the button connected to pin A0 is on, then LED connected to pin D4 will be on. Step 4, if button not pressed, stay quiet. Else, digital write 4 low. This code will check the input received to pin A0. Means, if the button connected to pin A0 is off, then LED connected to pin D4 will also be turned off. Step 5, repeat this code in loop. Void loop code. The code inside loop will blast the laser LED triggered by the button input. Let's have a quick revision. Step 1, get my button ready. Step 2, prepare my laser blaster. Step 3, to check if button pressed. If yes, then turn on LED of pin D4. Step 4, if button is not pressed, turn off the LED. Step 5, repeat this laser cycle using concept of loop. Now, it's your turn. Get ready to turn the laser light on or off based on the input received. Thank you for always being so excited to learn new codes with us.